kula i le ava ma whaaloa kawai pa i o le Sauniga. Whawhailoa ia koe i lau sunga i taitai. Whawhailoa i fo i le pa i o a inga rua, unu tūlanga whalupe. Ia tainane le tā mō pōpō mai la kou o mai masangi o kako muri mawinga le Sauniga Faale-aiga o te mānei. Ia ua tolu whawho. Ia o le whasenga ni a rau māpua. Ia o lea la o lea pasi le kākamukua mo. Ia kā mako mga upu mai whara lau whaktai.
Aloha everybody. I'm sorry I'm going to be doing my speech in English. My name is Margaret Taula. I am the eldest of my mom and dad's children. I have 3 children. Olarema, Sotuli Taula, Olumutua nea, Olumulua, Umumoe Mamanui, Nalisha Taula, Alanto Rua ya Aperu, Mala Tama ya Apa, ya Anmawi there, or Lofa Afasene Taula. Yeah. I wasn't gonna do a eulogy today. I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know to find the right words. So I just thought, nah, I've got to wing it. Because I know Dad would be looking down on us and going, why are you sitting there? So my dad is a very proud man. He always taught us, all of us children, and our children, and also the great-grandchildren, Aye loto. Dad, you fought a good fight. I love you so much. I miss you dearly. And I will keep that promise that you asked of me, and I will fulfill it. We will take care of Mum, as my father was one thing my dad. He had a lot of weaknesses, my father, he did. But the one thing that always kept him going was my mum. The love that he had for our mother and for us children, and especially his grandchildren. I thank you, Dad, for your love, because I know it wasn't easy. You left Samoa. I was born here. And I know as a lot of people here travel overseas to make a better life for their families, that's what my mum and dad did. Nima o maasinga, ai matuolo e malanga no i Nisina. Ne whanga we isi o sisters mo brothers. So Dad, I know you did everything for a reason. And I hope we've made you proud and will continue to make you proud as you always have taught us here in Mangkua, the time that you walk out of the front door, olo umua, liku ke avea. So thank you to each and every one of you for joining us in the celebration of my dad's life. And I love you.
Talofa love everyone. My name is Lorraine Matola. I apologize for doing my speech today in English. And I thank you, every one of you, for coming to support and celebrate our Papa's life. If there's one thing about our Papa, he would always encourage us, whether it was education, no matter what we were doing in our lives, to strive our hardest, to give it our all. There's one thing Papa always did, especially as us grandkids got older, he loved sharing stories of his pastimes and his experiences. Especially loved listening to his stories about his migration with Nana and Papa and his children, all the sacrifices he made for us kids, where we are now. One story that I remember is he'd talk about when he was in Sydney. Obviously, Nana and Papa would be moving back from Samoa to New Zealand and trying to find the next location, and he was in Sydney with just a suitcase, and he planted his roots down in Melbourne, and we've all been there ever since. So from this humble man, he's sacrificed so much, he's instilled so many values that we will carry forever. And thank you, Papa, for loving, especially among us grandchildren. Thank you for loving us as we are and not who you want us to be, and loving us unconditionally. And I hope wherever you're going, you find peace and you can rest peacefully now. No more pain, and we'll... Sorry. Papa will be like, oh, now sorry. But we'll forever cherish all the memories and all the love you've given us. We'll never forget it, and we thank you for the life you've shared with us. And yeah, Mawila Malanga Papa, we love you.
Talofa everyone, my name is Alofa, and yeah, thank you everyone for coming down today to celebrate my Papa. I don't have any prepared today, so sorry. Papa was a great Papa to all of us grandkids. He always thought for us, take care of us, kept all of us out of trouble, all of us boys. Yeah. Thank you, Papa, for everything you've done for us young kids. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say today. Mami alo Malo, Papa, I love you very much.
Ola wale o sa, ua tau sisi le mai nei, wale whaamoina le mori maua whanau Ulugia, au te manatula wauia ua walea, au le au wha wina atu le mato whawhiwhianga mea whiawhi se vai ane Sauniga. E ini nei whai upu e whia tōina mai le whionga pai ane atua. E whautawina whapea, o lo maua tusi nei le tengang tuai. O ke le kaua kore kusi ino o ino e whai au. E oi, e whapea whaitawina. E toi whaafo ia mea. I le ana mea. Ia lea. Mea o iene fia. O le tua na ia fohai. O le tua fohi na tutua e Afasene. Ia o le ale mea i tātou te whaana noai. O tele mana noai. O le manuia. O le oti. Ia o le. Ai o le atunu le no te au maua. I te tasi o pitu no o aiku pitu. E i lea manu o le atunu le. E moni mawina whapea. O se ainga. O se nuu. Ua noa mani tangata matua. O se ainga o se nuu ua matua whaamati waina. O le ale winga wia mea. E pei o i la tō nei sa tā fiofi mau. I mea tō tino. Tutusa le leia ma tātou i nei. Pei o whanua o suafu. Ua tāu au na moat. Ia leo wala kulesi. E whapena le maua le tunu lea. Ia le ale mea leo kāu fiofi a kākou keili ngai ngā le Facebook la. Ia oi. E pei o nai mau ia o mui. E whaawau wai le matou. Mori mauna siau whana. O rou sauna. Ia o nau mori mau wale o au ia hao. Man mau o maftana. Man nita mau. E lea ia ma sisikai mea koe whai ai. E laki pēr koe kalango ai sisikai au pēr o ma keo oi. Ai o lau talangoa. O le kous ua nei o kausanga karu o whai poipo. I teine lea. Ia o le ainga a koa are o whai poipo ia. Ia. Ia le mea lea. Ua o mai lea so. Ua o ne fo i manatu. Ua o ngi fo i o na mafuta. O te maratua le mawhai poipo. Te iau koe kau i o mafu. Aso le mawhai poipo. Ia ka apelo. Ia e mako o. Ngā kulia ia le aso lea. E le ngal. Sa kau o ngau kulou war saunga. Sa kau ngau war moro korua. E mate mo moe. Au moe le awar kere. Ia. Pei ono whai atu. E lea ia si staine koe whai stara. A kou sila maila. I o le ngei au kau muru. Ua i ua i ngā kumaunga o. Ana ngei lau kau muru. I lau mai tau ki nei ta maa. Ia. A tau me whaasoro mai nei fo i ngā mea lelei. Tala mua fo i ngai mea e whaare lelei. Ia oi. E monu. Le loto o ta mana nei. A lea fi le lea i te pongre mea. Lea wā rino o maua ia i. Ioi. Lea lofa e whaasa fua. O si anu whanau. Ia o nao tuele i whanau ala whanau. Ia o kosi sida maila le wawa o amakare si generation. E skoi ni. Ana ngei fōkua i mai lesi. O lewa ai e. Ia. E pei o e anu laso ngei o mori maunea ngei po inga ngei. A o le alofa i le whanau o le aing. Ai se i kalangoa la i ngai o kua whawhine o ngā uso i whatea si au ka. Ai e sau mā kalangoa honenga. I auange i loa e son kōrua le kalangoa. I le alofa i ngai o kua whawhine o uso. Ai maise o longa ai. Ia. Mongi a kalangi. E ala ke fuinga e alwa wa kalangoa koi. Wa mama o ala no kalangoa. Ma whaasira sila koe a maisi mea. Ia, le pai o rai. O loa o maa mea ko ai.